Hey everybody, Thomas Joseph here, and today we are tackling crème fraiche. Now, crème fraiche adds a wonderful, rich tanginess to a variety of dishes, and for those of you out there who actually know about crème fraiche and buy it, know that it's hard to find and also it can be super expensive. Well, today I'm going to share with you a at-home version of crème fraiche. It's really simple to make. It only takes 2 ingredients and a little bit of time. Let me just start with the grocery store version of crème fraiche, or the specialty store version of crème fraiche, which is usually sold in these little containers, and it can be anywhere from $6 to maybe even $8 depending on the brand you find, if you can find it, because it's not in every single store. Now, it's usually pretty thick and viscous like this, and you really can make this wonderful treat at home with just 2 simple ingredients. So the first ingredient is heavy cream. Now, unlike buttermilk, or maybe similar to buttermilk uses whole milk. If you're making it at home, you need to acidify it or culture it, but it's whole milk. Crème fraiche is made with heavy cream, so it has a higher percentage of butter fat in it, which gives that richness. So if you're gonna try making crème fraiche at home, I would encourage you to find a really great brand of heavy cream that's rich and also flavorful. So if you can get that grass-fed heavy cream that has a little bit of extra flavor, that will make an even more flavorful crème fraiche. Now to this, I'm gonna add one of our favorite ingredients here in the test kitchen, and that is a little bit of buttermilk. So buttermilk, or you could also use yogurt, anything that has those live cultures in it are gonna help to culture our heavy cream, which will add a tanginess and also will thicken this cream up into the consistency of crème fraiche. Now, it's not gonna happen instantaneously here. It needs a little bit of time. So what you have to do is cover this with a little bit of plastic wrap here. You could also make this in a ball jar or one of those resealable containers. And this needs to sit out on the counter for about 12 to even 24 hours. And what that room temperature does is it helps all of those active cultures multiply throughout the cream, giving you a nice, rich, thick body and a wonderful tangy flavor. So 12 to 24 hours. All right, guys, this version, this batch here has been sitting overnight, and you can see how nice and thick it has gotten. And that really is the wonderful cultures that have been reacting with the cream and thickening them up. Now, crème fraiche can be used in so many different ways. You can use it as a substitute for sour cream in a lot of recipes, and it will add this wonderful richness to it. You can even sweeten it lightly and use it as an accompaniment to a lot of desserts and pies. It adds like a nice tanginess that offsets sweetness. But I like to use it over simple things like a baked potato here, guys, instead of sour cream. You don't even need the butter because this is so rich. Or you can kind of garnish a wonderful vegetable soup with it. Maybe a little bit of parsley or chives on top of this delicious carrot soup. So there you go, guys, crème fraiche made at home. It's super simple to do. Only takes 2 ingredients, a little bit of time. Now, as always, we'd love to hear from you. If you have any kitchen conundrums, baking conundrums, ingredient conundrums, reach out to us using the hashtag kitchen conundrums or comment below. We'd love to hear from you guys. Give this recipe a try. It's really good. And as always, guys, click like and subscribe.